Hello students, how are you? I have come back with the first chapter of class 10, Footprints Without Feet. The chapter's name is Triumph of Surgery. It is written by James Herriot. Students, as you come to know that by the name of the chapter, Triumph of Surgery, we come to know that this is the triumph, victory. This is the victory, this is the triumph of surgery. We will see how a doctor, veterinary doctor, without any medicines, treats a ill dog. So first of all, going through the chapter, let us talk about the writer of this story. So first of all, I am going to tell you about the author. James Alfred White. He was born on 3 October 1916 and died on 23rd February 1995. He was known by the pen name James Herriot. Pen name, in the earlier lecture I have explained, I have told you what is pen name. James Herriot was a British veterinary surgeon and writer who used his many years of experience as a veterinary surgeon. Students, veterinary surgeon, do you know? Veterinary means animal doctor. So he has a good experience of treating animals and making them well. See, also he is a writer, he is a doctor, he is having both the talents. So he also wrote a series of books, and each book consists of stories about animals and their owners. And these are very strange books, very much practical. His compositions are very much funny, as you will see in this chapter, because this is his own experience of treating animals and dealing their owners. He is best known for the semi-autobiographical works, and that is why, as you know very well, that he is a writer. He is also a veterinary surgeon. So he is best known for the semi-autobiographical works. Semi-autobiographical means not fully autobiographical, but semi means these are the half of autobiographical elements, half of personal records. Beginning with If Only They Could Talk in 1917, and he started writing with the work If Only They Could Talk, which spawned a series of movies and television series. And this also has motivated for many movies as well as television series. Students, here is the image of a dog. The dog, you can see, is very much fatty. He seems to have just like a bloated sausage. Bloated means fula hua, bilkul. Sausage, you know, sausage is also a kind of dish. In Hindi we can call it kebab. Introduction to the lesson. In this lesson there is a small dog. The name of the dog is Tricky. Is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. Is pampered. Pampered means being loved and being cared too much. And this dog has been overfed. Overfed, you know, the food, the eatable that are not necessary, more than enough. Overfed means more than enough feeding by his rich mistress. After that, what will happen is obviously clear to all of you, my students, because sometimes you may have also the experience of overfeeding yourself. You will not feel good if your stomach is overfilled with some delicious foods. So here the case is also with this dog. He falls seriously ill and his mistress consult a veterinary surgeon. Does he perform an operation? And here lies the question कि when the mistress of the dog consult to a veterinary surgeon, so does he perform an operation? Does the dog recover? So these questions answer we will find in the chapter. So first of all, I am going to introduce you the characters of this story. The characters of this story, as you can see, that these are the basically and mainly three characters. Number one is James Herriot. As already I have told you, he is a veterinary surgeon. He is wise individual, animal lover and caring. Students, these are the three basic features that is reflected in this chapter. He is a veterinary surgeon. First feature of James Herriot is, second feature is wise individual. He is also very intelligent fellow. Animal lover. Another quality of this character James Herriot is that he is also lover of animal and he is also very much caring them. Next character of this story is Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey is a wealthy single woman. She is a wealthy, rich woman, but she is single. Very much attached to her dog, Tricky. And she is very much attached. She is very much fond of her dog, Tricky. Attached means deeply in love with. बहुत ज़्यादा चाहना, बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करना. मिसेस पंपरी को अपने डॉग से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार था. Next character is Tricky. Tricky, as you know it, I think it is now clear to you. Tricky is a fat and lazy dog. मोटा सा और सुस्ता सा डॉग है. Loves food, and this dog is also very much fond of eating. Falls ill, बीमार हो जाता है and becomes energetic after recovering. But after recovering, this dog who has been lazy and fat, he also got his energy and become very much energetic. Students, now we are going to the summary of this chapter, Triumph of Surgery. This story starts when Mrs. Pumphrey, a rich lady, takes her dog out for a walk. This story is a very simple starting. What happened in this story? That it is start when Mrs. Pumphrey, who is a very rich lady, takes her dog out for a walk. You know very well that owners often used to carry their dogs when they are going for a morning walk or evening walk. So the same is there that Mrs. Pumphrey also carried her dog, takes her dog for a walk. A nearby veterinary doctor who knows the lady. Nearby means neighboring. पास का ही एक veterinary doctor, एक animal doctor who knows the lady, that was familiar to the lady, sees the dog and he come across to see the dog. By chance उसने कुत्ते को देखा and is shocked, और एकदम वो surprised हुआ and is shocked as he sees that the dog looks like a bloated sausage. और कैसा दिख रहा था डॉग? डॉग वॉज लुकिंग लाइक ए ब्लोटेड सॉसेज. ब्लोटेड सॉसेज, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्पोकन दिस टर्म. ब्लोटेड मीन्स फूला हुआ. सॉसेज इज ए काइंड ऑफ डिश जिसको आप हिंदी में कबाब कह सकते हैं, विद ए लेग एट ईच एंड. और बस ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये ब्लोटेड सॉसेज है और दोनों तरफ उसकी टांगे दोनों किनारों पे लगी हुई है. मतलब ये इतना मोटा था. ही वॉज सो मच फैटी that he was looking like a bloated sausage. He advised her, and the doctor advised Mrs. Pumphrey to stop giving him unhealthy things to eat. कि ये डॉग की ये कंडीशन इसलिए हुई है कि उसको बहुत ज़्यादा खिलाया पिलाया जा रहा है, इसलिए उन्होंने उसको सलाह दी कि आप इस डॉग को अनहेल्दी थिंग्स खाने के लिए मत दीजिए. बट मिसेस पंपरी इज़ नॉट एबल टू रिफ्यूज़ हिम. लेकिन मिसेस पंपरी जो कि उसे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करती थी, बहुत ज़्यादा उससे अटैच थी, उसको सी वॉज फीलिंग हैप्पी टू गिव हिम मोर एंड मोर थिंग्स टू ईट. जितना ज़्यादा उसको खाने के लिए वो देती थी उतनी ज़्यादा उनको खुशी होती थी. इसलिए पंपरी इज़ नॉट एबल टू रिफ्यूज़ हिम. सोन ही फॉल्स सिक. बट इफ़ a person is getting, if a animal or a person is getting too much fatty, too much healthy, then what will be the result? If one is not going to control the diet, definitely he will fall sick and the doctor is called. और जब बीमार होता है तो where we used to go? We used to go to the doctor. So definitely when the Tricky falls ill, the veterinary doctor is called. Or you know here who is the veterinary doctor? Veterinary doctor is Mr. Heriot. Then somehow takes Tricky dog to the hospital, and Mr. Heriot very well understand that here in this house Mrs. Pumphrey is not going to control his diet, so it is better that they should carry the dog to the hospital. So, and though doctor knows that Mrs. Pumphrey is very much fond of the dog, and she will not very easily let him carry dog to the hospital. And what happened कि Pumphrey is not ready to leave her dog. मिसेस Pumphrey इतना ज़्यादा उसे चाहती थी कि वो उसको छोड़ने के लिए तैयार नहीं थी. Pumphrey is not ready to leave her dog and nearly fainted just by hearing these words. और जैसे कि डॉक्टर ने कहा कि नहीं उनको उसको ये इसकी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब है, इसको हॉस्पिटलाइज करना पड़ेगा. व्हेन मिसेस पंपरी लिसन दीज वर्ड्स व्हाट हैपेन, शी नियरली फेंटेड मीन्स लगभग उनको बेहोशी आ गई थी. शी वॉज सो शॉक्ड बाई लिसनिंग दैट हर डॉग विल बी हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड बिकॉज शी इज़ वेरी मच सिक, तो शी गॉट नियरली फेंटेड. देन ही टेक्स द डॉग अलॉन्ग. उसके बाद में डॉक्टर उस डॉग को अपने साथ ले जाता है. पुट्स अ बेड फॉर हिम इन हिज सर्जरी. द डॉग डजंट मूव मच और ईट्स एनीथिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट 2 days, and the dog was definitely he was seriously ill because for 2 days he was not taking anything for eating. He was not taking anything. On the second day he looks around and whimpers a bit. और दूसरे दिन डॉक्टर के पास जब हॉस्पिटल में गया, दूसरे दिन ही लुक्स अराउंड, उसको खाने को कुछ नहीं दिया गया. उसने फिर अपने चारों तरफ देखा. एंड विम्पर्स ए बिट. विम्पर्स मीन्स टू प्रोड्यूस ए फीबल एंड वीक साउंड, एक बहुत कमज़ोर सी आवाज़ पैदा करना. ही वॉन्टेड टू गो आउट ऑन द थर्ड डे एंड स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग विद द बिगर डॉग्स. अच्छा, थर्ड डे देयर हैव बीन ए लिटिल बिट इम्प्रूवमेंट इन हिज हेल्थ. सो ट्रिकी वॉन्टेड टू गो आउट. ट्रिकी बाहर जाना चाहता था and started playing with the bigger dogs. And the bigger dogs that was already in the hospital, he started playing with them. He also licked the bowls of other dogs clean on the third day. On the third day, he also licked the bowl of other dogs. Other dogs that the pot was there in which they used to be fed. He also, after that was the empty, but something was left. So what Tricky used to do? Tricky used to lick the bowls of other dogs clean on the third day. Then his condition started improving very fast, and after that the condition of the dog started, and there has been very fast improvement in his condition. He started fighting for his meals with other dogs, and now he has been so much improved in his health that he started fighting with other dogs. जब वो स्वस्थ हुआ तो और बाकी डॉग्स के साथ में अपने भोजन के लिए उसने लड़ना शुरू कर दिया. Then when this news reached Mrs. Pumphrey, she started sending him eggs. और जैसे ही मिसेस पंफ्रे को पता चला कि उनका डॉग रिकवर हो रहा है, she started sending him eggs. As I have already told you, she was mad about her dog. So he started sending him eggs as she thought that Tricky was recovering from an illness and needed energy foods. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, एग भेजना शुरू कर दिया, क्योंकि उन्हें पता था कि उसको रिकवर हो रहा है, काफ़ी वीक हो गया होगा, उसको हेल्दी फूड की ज़रूरत है. I needed energy food. Mr. Heriot and his partner started eating those eggs for morning breakfast. And now the benefit goes to doctor and his partner. क्योंकि dog does not need those energy foods because it was a controlled diet that doctors was giving him. So what happened कि जो eggs Mrs. Pumphrey भेजती थी, those eggs morning breakfast में Dr. Heriot and his partner used to enjoy. देन फॉर इम्प्रूविंग ट्रिकीज़ ब्लड, और ट्रिकी के ब्लड को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, उसके आयरन को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, उसके हीमोग्लोबिन को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए मिसेस पंपरी स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग इन बोटल्स ऑफ वाइन विच वॉज अगेन कंज्यूम्ड बाई मिस्टर हीरियट. और मिसेस पंपरी ने क्या भेजना शुरू किया, बोटल्स ऑफ वाइन यू नो लिकर. उन्होंने मदरा भेजना शुरू कर दिया, एंड विच वॉज अगेन कंज्यूम्ड बाई मिस्टर हीरियट. और वो भी किसने खाया पिया, हीरियट एंजॉय करने लगे. एंड ही यूज्ड टू टेक 2 glasses बिफोर लंच एंड सम मोर ग्लासेस वाइल हैविंग लंच. तो ये डॉक्टर्स वाइन को 2 ग्लास लंच से पहले लेते थे, सम मोर ग्लासेस वाइल हैविंग हिज लंच, और कुछ और ग्लासेस कब लेते थे? ड्यूरिंग ड्यूरिंग लंच टाइम. Then when he started sending his bottles of brandy for Tricky, that was the time when Mr. Harriet thought that he would really keep the dog as permanent guest in the surgery. Then when she started sending in bottles of brandy, after that she again started what? Bottles of brandy. किसके लिए? For Tricky. That was the time. For morning breakfast, eggs. For noon meal, wine. And for evening, for night food, what? Brandy. So it was a wonderful feast for the doctor and his partner. And here Mr. Harriet, the veterinary doctor, thought that he would really like to keep Tricky as permanent guest in the surgery, because this dog is the source of their wonderful breakfast, dinner, as well as supper. Mr. Harriet used to really happy someday by having 2 extra eggs every morning, and he was very much happy that every morning they are getting 2 extra eggs. Then having few glasses of wine in the afternoon and closing the day by having brandy at night. But then he took a wise decision and called up Mrs. Pumphrey, as he was really worried on his side. Tricky was really to be taken back home. लेकिन एक दिन डॉक्टर ने क्या किया कि मिसेस पंपरे को फ़ोन किया और उनको बताया है कि नाउ योर डॉग इज़ रिकवर्ड, ही इज़ वेल एंड यू कैन टेक इट बैक होम. तो मिसेस पंपरी वॉज वेरी मच हैप्पी. Mrs. Pumphrey came in his car and she was very much happy. She jumped out of the car and she won't be able to ever thank him for that he had done, and also that this surgery has been successful as Tricky was now cured. Mrs. Pumphrey was not having words of thanks for the doctor because his dog Tricky, his loving dog Tricky, was now cured. So student, this was the story of the chapter the triumph of surgery. Now what is the moral of this story? Students, you have seen that moral of the story is too much love and excessive care is harmful. Students, you know that when the parents are taking too much care of their words, हमेशा उनको कुछ खिलाने पिलाने की सोचा करते हैं, बेटा ये खा लो, बेटा वो खा लो, और सो मैनी डिलीशियस डिशेज, बाज़ार की बहुत सारी चीज़ें तुम लोगों को दी जाती हैं. व्हाट फॉर? क्योंकि वो तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा आपकी केयर करते हैं. बट दिस इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ. इसीलिए हम लोग तुम लोगों को मना किया करते हैं कि फास्ट फूड बिल्कुल मत खाइए, मार्केट की चीज़ों को मत खाइए. बट दैट डजंट मैटर. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस सम questions. These questions I have given in the exercises. Exercise 1, there are 3 questions in the exercise 1 that are also giving in your NCERT book. Why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? So Mrs. Pumphrey is worried about Tricky because the answer is, I think, clear to you. He has become listless and seems to have no energy. बिल्कुल उदास था, उसको कोई एनर्जी नहीं थी. She thinks he must be suffering from malnutrition. Okay, so the answer is very simple. You can learn it. What does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? She helps him by giving him some little extra between meals to build up him, some malt, cod liver oil, bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. She cannot resist saying him to be occasional cream cake and chocolates. वो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा खाने के लिए देती थी. चॉकलेट देती थी, क्रीम केक देती थी, ऑयली फूड बहुत देती थी, हॉर्लिक्स देती थी. सो ऑल दिस वॉज नॉट सो रिक्वायर्ड फॉर हिम, बट सी यूज टू गिव हिम. और ऐसा करने के लिए सी वॉज नॉट वाइज इन डूइंग दिस. नो, सी इज़ नॉट वाइज इन डूइंग दिस. ट्रिकी इज़ वेरी ग्रीडी डॉग. और ट्रिकी की भी खूबी थी, ये भी बहुत लालची कुत्ता था. एंड दैट द ओवर फीडिंग हैज़ रिजल्टेड इन हिम बिकमिंग ह्यूजली फैट. और रिजल्ट ये हुआ कि जितना ज़्यादा वो खाता था उतना ज़्यादा मोटा होता गया. लाइक ए ब्लोटेड सॉसेज विद ए लेग एट ईच कॉर्नर. His eyes bloodshot and dreamy, stared straight ahead, and his tongue rolled from his jaws. Students, next question is, who does I refer to in this story? In this story I जो pronoun है वो किसके लिए refer करता है? So you can see here I refers to Mr. Heriot, and Mr. Heriot, who is he? He is a veterinary surgeon and he is the author of this chapter, author of this story. Now exercise 2 is there. Is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? How does he treat the dog? Why is he tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest? Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? Yes. So is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? So इसका solution क्या है बेटा? No. Narrator is not as rich as Tricky's mistress. Tricky's mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, was very much wealthy. Solution second. How does he treat the dog? Dog को उन्होंने कैसे treat किया? उसको dog को कोई मेडिसिन नहीं दी, कोई उसको मेडिसिन इंजेक्ट नहीं की. He treats the dog with care and love. He realized that dog is not suffering from any major illness. डॉक्टर को पता था डॉग को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बस उसको प्रॉब्लम यही है कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा लालची है और वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही खबोड़ है, ग्लटनी है और उसको खाने को भी बहुत मिलता है. इसलिए वॉट एवर प्रॉब्लम, वॉट एवर इलनेस द डॉग इज सफरिंग, दैट इज ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ ओवर फीडिंग. He therefore does not overindulge or fuse over him, but treats him like all other household dogs. At the surgery, he makes up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to one where the other dogs sleep. For 2 days, he keeps an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. उसको 2 दिन तक खाने को भोजन नहीं दिया, बस पानी दिया. He then lets him out to play and eats with other dogs. दूसरे कुत्तों के साथ उसको खेलने दिया और उसको खाने को थोड़ा बहुत खाने के लिए दिया. In this way, he was cured. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, वाई इज ही टेम्पटेड टू कीप ट्रिकी ऑन एज ए परमानेंट गेस्ट. अब डॉक्टर्स टिकी को परमानेंट गेस्ट क्यों रखना चाहते थे? इन समरी स्टूडेंट्स आई हैव टोल्ड यू, बिकॉज कि ट्रिकी की जो मिस्ट्रेस थी, जो ओनर थी, दैट वाज मिसेस पंफ्रे. शी वाज वेरी वेल्दी एंड शी वाज वेरी मच फॉन्ड ऑफ ट्रिकी. तो क्या करती थी कि ट्रिकी को जब व्हेन शी कम्स टू नो कि ट्रिकी इज नाउ रिकवरिंग, सो शी स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग 2 eggs in the morning for the morning breakfast, wine for the noon meal, and brandy for the evening meal. But all these eggs, wine and brandy, who was using? That doctor and his partner. That is why doctor tempted to keep Tricky as permanent guest. Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? Mrs. Pumphrey is shocked when she sees Tricky. She thinks that dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery because earlier the dog had the appearance of bloated sausage with a leg at each corner. It was usually fat, dull, inactive and lifeless. His eyes bloodshot and dreamy, stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. But after the treatment, अब ट्रीटमेंट के बाद में उसमें क्या चेंज आया? ही इज़ फुल ऑफ लाइफ, बहुत एक्टिव हो गया, रन्स, दौड़ने लगा, लीप्स इनटू द कार में उछलने लगा, मिसेस पंपरी के लैप में उछल के बैठ गया. एंड सी इज़ देयरफॉर एक्सट्रीमली ग्रेटफुल टू द वेट. और इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा वो ग्रेटफुल थी वेटरनरी डॉक्टर को. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज एक्सरसाइज 3. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन डू यू थिंक द नरेटर, ए वेटरनरी सर्जन, इज? वुड यू से ही इज टैक्टफुल एज वेल एज फुल ऑफ कॉमन सेंस? डू यू थिंक ट्रिकी वॉज हैप्पी टू गो होम? व्हाट डू यू थिंक विल हैपन नाउ? डू यू थिंक दिस इज रियल लाइफ एपिसोड और मेयर फिक्शन, और इट इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ बोथ? स्टूडेंट्स, अब पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन डू यू थिंक द नरेटर वेटरनरी सर्जन इज? कैसा आदमी है, उसका करेक्टर कैसा है? तो लेट अस गो थ्रू हिज क्वालिटीज़. कि पहली है कि ही इज़ वेरी सेंसिबल, बहुत ही भावुक व्यक्ति है, प्रैक्टिकल है, हार्ड वर्किंग डॉक्टर है, ट्रीट्स एनिमल विथ केयर एंड लव. ही इज़ गुड एंड ऑनेस्ट मैन because although tempted to continue enjoying the luxuries bestowed on him by Mrs. Pumphrey, यद्यपि उसको थोड़ा सा लालच आ गया था कि मिसेस पंपरे जो भी लग्जरीज भेज रही थी, जैसे एग्स थे, वाइन थे, ब्रांडी थी, बट स्टिल ही वॉज वेरी गुड एंड ऑनेस्ट पर्सन. क्योंकि एक बार डॉग रिकवर हो गया, आफ्टर दैट ही डिड नॉट कीप द डॉग फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बट as the dog was recovered, he immediately informed to the Mrs. Pumphrey to take it back. I would say that he is both tactful as well as full of common sense, as he treats the dog with common sense and is tactful, enjoying the pleasure of life during Tricky's stay. He is, and I would like to say about the veterinary doctor that he is both tactful as well as full of common sense. Because he treats the dog, he cured the dog with common sense. और टैक्टफुल था इन एंजॉइंग द प्लेजर ऑफ लाइफ. ही इज़ एन एक्सीलेंट विट हु कैन आइडेंटिफाई अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ पेट्स. और बहुत ही अच्छा वो डॉक्टर है क्योंकि वेरी वेल ही अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट इज़ the illness, what is the sickness of the pets. Immediately he used to understand, he used to diagnose, and is able to handle overindulged owners tactfully. और बहुत कायदे से हैंडल कर लेता है. His common sense and concern on seeing Tricky's appearance made him realize that the only way to cure the dog was to take him away from his mistress. और तुरंत वो समझ गया था कि इस डॉग का इलाज केवल एक ही है कि इसको इसकी मिस्ट्रेस से दूर रखा जाए. बिकॉज एंड कंट्रोल इट्स डाइट ऑफ फूड एंड स्वीट्स एंड गिव हिम प्लेंटी ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. कि उसको फूड से जो बहुत ज़्यादा उसको खाना दिया जा रहा है उससे उसको दूर रखना है, कुछ एक्सरसाइजेज उससे करानी है. इन दिस वे ही विल बी रिकवर्ड, ही विल गेट वेल सून. But he also enjoyed eggs, wine, and brandy that Mrs. Pumphrey had brought for the dog, and was even tempted to keep Tricky as permanent guest in order to continue enjoying these luxuries. Students, next question was, do you think Tricky was happy to go home? What do you think will happen now? Definitely, Tricky was happy to go home because I have told you that when Tricky saw his mistress, took off from the vet's arms in tremendous sleep, कि वो अपने डॉक्टर के हाथों से एकदम छूट के गया और उसकी मिसेस पंपरी की गोद में जाके बैठ गया. सी गेव ए स्टार्टल्ड ऊफ, और एकदम वो भी चौंक गई और उसके मुंह से ऊफ निकल गया. एंड देन हैड टू डिफेंड हर सेल्फ एज अ साउंड ओवर हर, लिकिंग हर फेस एंड बार्किंग. उसके बाद में वो उनके चेहरे पे लिकिंग करने लगा. जैसा तुम्हें पता है, दिस इज द हैबिट ऑफ ए पेट टू लिक द फेस एंड फीट ऑफ द ओनर. और फिर धीरे धीरे भौंकने भी लगा. आई थिंक द डॉग वुड फेस द सेम प्रॉब्लम अगेन एज द मिस्ट्रेस वॉज टू प्रोटेक्टिव एंड केयरिंग टुवर्ड्स हिम. और जितनी ज़्यादा मिसेस पंपरे बेचैन थी अपने डॉग से दूर होकर के, तो डेफिनेटली कि डॉग भी अपने ओनर से दूर होकर के उतना ही बेचैन था. एंड बोथ वर वेरी मच ईगर टू मीट ईच अदर. She did not realize that her overindulgence and kindness was bad for the dog's health and could even lead to the death of the pet dog that she loved very much. और उसे ये नहीं पता था कि जितनी वो केयर कर रही है अपने डॉग की, एज सी वॉज वेरी मच केयरिंग एंड ड्यू टू लव सी वॉज ओवर फीडिंग द डॉग, that will be the cause of dog serious illness. After a while, she would forget how sick the dog was and would go back overfeeding and spoiling the dog, and finally she would have to call for the vet again. Next question is, students, and these are the long answer type questions. Do you think this is a real life episode or mere fiction, or it is a mixture of both? So what do you think? Definitely I think that it is a mixture of both. It is a fiction as well as real life episode. The wealthy mistress with nothing in life to bother her except the health of her pet dog whom she overindulges in and spoils is very true to life. जैसा कि इसमें कहानी में है कि वेल्दी मिस्ट्रेस है, जीवन में उसको करना कुछ नहीं, विद नथिंग इन लाइफ टू बोदर हर एक्सेप्ट, और किस चीज़ के बारे में परेशान होना है, सिर्फ देयर वॉज द रीज़न ऑफ हर एंग्जाइटी वॉज दैट द हेल्थ ऑफ हर पेट डॉग. द वेरी प्रैक्टिकल इंडिकेटेड ऑनेस्ट वेट हु इमीडिएटली डिटेक्ट द प्रॉब्लम, और एक जैसा कि एक प्रैक्टिकल और बहुत ही डेडिकेटेड ऑनेस्ट वेटरनरी डॉक्टर है हु इमीडिएटली डिटेक्ट द प्रॉब्लम एंड विद ईयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इज एबल टू हैंडल बोथ द ग्रेडी पेट एंड द स्लाइटली एसेंट्रिक मिस्ट्रेस आर आल्सो रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस. और जैसा कि एक ग्रेडी पेट है और एसेंट्रिक मिस्ट्रेस है, स्लाइटली एसेंट्रिक मिस्ट्रेस है, दोनों का जो एक what we can say कि both are there and both ये जो सिचुएशन है, दिस सिचुएशन आर आल्सो रियल लाइफ situations. However, the luxuries bestowed on the vet, लेकिन जो वेटरनरी जानवर पे जो मतलब डॉग पे जितनी लग्जरीज दी जा रही थी फॉर द सेक ऑफ डॉग इनिशियली व्हेन द डॉग हैड टू लीव इट्स होम लेटर, स्पेशली द वाइन ब्रांडी सीम्स फिक्स. जैसे कि इन दिस स्टोरी यू विल रीड कि डॉग के लिए बहुत सारे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स है, जितना कि जेंटलमैन्स यूज टू वियर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कोट्स वर देयर. There were one almirah that was filled with different types of coats. उसके different types of beds थे, different types of pots थे, bowls थे, और हर बाउल जो था, जितने भी उसके खाने के बर्तन थे, मॉर्निंग के, नून के एंड इवन नाइट के, they were all different. उसके बाद में उसको डॉग वॉज गिवन वाइन एंड ब्रांडी. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स, they are fictitious, they are not considered to be related with the real life situations. And the sudden recovery of the dog who had reached such a bad state is also a bit fictitious. लेकिन इतनी इतनी बुरी हालत हो जाए, इतना ज़्यादा कोई एनिमल इतना बीमार हो जाए, उसके बाद में बहुत जल्दी ही रिकवर हो जाए विदाउट any medicine, that is also a little bit fictitious. Thus, one can say that the story, although extremely humorous, is a mixture of both real life episodes as well as fiction. So, students, you have seen that the chapter of your book Footprints Without Feet, the first chapter, The Triumph of Surgery, is now over. So, if you have any question, write your question in the comment box. I will be waiting for it and I will answer it. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.